Hello student, in this video we talk about the new feature of Filmora 13, right? The release of Filmora 13 is done. Now we discuss and we made all the new videos on the Filmora 13, right? So in this video we discuss the new feature of Filmora 13, and in next video I teach you how to install Filmora 13 in free of cost step by step, right? So open your Filmora, click on the Filmora icon, right? And the aspect ratio is same as in Filmora 12, right? The standard, portrait and the Instagram. In this Filmora 13 I have purchased it, right? So when you install Filmora 13, you may log in any email on your Filmora account, right? I have login on the nwpareshan@gmail.com on my email address, right? Now you purchase it also on Wondershare Filmora cross-platform annual plan, but I have installed in free of cost for you, right? And from here you use the Filmora cloud. You purchase the Filmora cloud to upload your projects, right? And from here you use the Creator Hub when you log in onto Wondershare Filmora after installing this software, right? So you use many more effects, videos, right? And use the tutorials about the Filmora 13, the Filmora AI, the Filmora audio, social media, and enhance your videos, right? So I click on the create projects, and from here you click on the new projects, and from here you open the previous projects. Any project, when you click on it, it will be open. So it is the instant mode and it is the screen recorder which I have using to record my laptop screen, right? And it is the new feature AI text to video, right? So I click on the AI text to video. It means that you have put your text and then click on text to video button, this button, to generate your video according to your text. It means the AI text to video to convert your text into your videos, right? In any language, right? Like English US, English UK, German, Spanish, French, Italian, all the big languages are available in this Filmora, right? And from here the video voice. So Filmora have 4 voices, 2 voices of the female and 2 voices of the gents. If you want to record your video in the female voice, so you use female, and if you want to use the gents voice, so you use the male voice, Davis and Jason, and for female, Arya and the Jenny. But the AI text video is not a free tool, it is a paid tool. Whenever you record your video, you convert your text to video, you have to pay some amount to the Filmora. Estimated consumption 3 coins, right? So you also use this AI tool. It is the new feature, AI text to video. And the second is AI text based editing. It is also the new tool, right? We explore inshallah one by one. And AI copywriting, right? You also use your copywriting, your video title, right? For example, YouTube ideas, video topic, YouTube, for example, YouTube course, English, advanced option you also use. And from here I click on the generate. Estimated consumption is 10 coin. It is not free, it is a paid option, AI copywriting beta, right? I have 100 coin and then I use the 10 coin, right? And the remaining balance is 90 coin. So it generated the ideas for my video topic, right? So I close it, and the auto reframe, instant cutter, beat option, and the advanced thing is the avatar presentation. So I click on it. We will explore this avatar presentation in detail in the next video, but in this video just I want to use it. Allow access. This button is the new button, right? It's called the Filmora Copilot. When I click on it, right, so the Filmora artificial intelligence solves your problem. If you have any problem and if you want to create a subscribe button, like button, for example, what is Filmora, or help me create a beautiful landscape image. So I click on this question, know the AI image. So click on the AI image, and the AI will create an image about a landscape. So you see there the AI created the landscape image. So first I click on it, start creating. Please describe the image you want. So first we edit a description. So first we edit a description about our landscape image. Mountain, MOUNTI, mountains, snow falling, right? So I edit. Now I click on the start creating. So the AI will automatically creating images, generating your image. So I write the description, the mountains, snow falling, right? So the AI generated this image. So dear student, this AI image, the beta is not the free, right? Estimated consumption is 10 coin. I have 100 coin. So first 10 coin I use, and then the second 10 coin I have also used on this picture, right? So it is not free, it is a paid by Filmora, right? If you created any AI images in this course and using this tool, so you may pay 10 coins for any one picture, right? So estimated consumption is 10 and my remaining balance is 80 coins, right? And from here you download this image. So I have downloaded this image. Now I drag and drop, and now I use this image in my projects, right? So it is the Filmora Copilot. It is the new version of Filmora 13, and the second adding button is the keyframe. In the Filmora 12 we just click on this button and we use the keyframing, right? We just use that keyframe, right? So I play it and the keyframe is applied, right? Now in Filmora 13 this button, the keyframe panel is available. So we click on it and the keyframe panel is open. It is the new feature in Filmora 13. In Filmora 12 just we use this button for keyframing, but in Filmora 13 we see this panel also, and from here you also control your keyframe, your picture size, your video size, right? And from here we click on it, the reset button, so it will be reset. And if you want to close this keyframe panel window, so just click on the keyframe panel window and it will be disabled. And from here we resize it, right? And in the color position it is also change the HSL, and the advanced is the color wheel, right? In Filmora 12 it is not available, the color wheel, and in Filmora 13 it has added as a new feature. So it is a simple video about Filmora 13, how to the new features work in Filmora, and in next video I teach you how to install this Filmora 13 step by step.